tell me I look good.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. We're now in Siargao, Philippines, and we decided to do this island hopping tour. And basically, the standard island hopping tour is that you will go to 3 different islands, but we decided to rent a private boat and to go to, how's it called? Corregidor Island. It's so beautiful, so you will need a guide to stop there. So on top of the price of your boat, you will also need to spend 350 pesos per group to get the guide and get up to the mountain. So you will have 3 stops. That's the first, the second, and that's the third. After this island, which is one of the farthest away from the General Luna, which is the main pier here in Siargao, we will go and see 3 other islands. On top of the price of the boat, so for ourselves, for example, we paid 3,000 pesos, which is around $70 for 4 people, so it's not much if you count per head, doing the 3 islands plus the Corregidor Island. I keep on forgetting this name, but it's really beautiful. It's really worth it. I have to say that when we were in El Nido, I was suffering a little bit of the food poisoning, so this is why in the last videos I wasn't so much energetic. But here I am, back on track, back in Siargao. The plan is that today we're going to do this boat trip, and tomorrow we're going to rent a car. We saw around that the rental car is 2,500 pesos, so divided by 4 is not much, and we can travel all around the island an entire day. Talking more about Siargao, there are different ways to come to Siargao. The most convenient way is by air, so you can take a flight to Siargao airport, and from there you can take a van to the most touristic areas in the island, which are Cloud 9 and General Luna. So this morning we took the boat from General Luna, and this is where all the tour boats will leave from. Another very important thing to mention is that Siargao is very famous for surfing, so if you're a surfer and you want to come to the Philippines, that's definitely the right place for you. Enjoy! We were speaking to our tour guide, and basically they told us that the trekking that we just did is the only job that they have on this island. So literally, if no one comes to the island, if no tourist comes, then they have no job, they have no money, and they cannot survive apart from the natural things like the fruits and the vegetables. So this is the only job on the island, and the government doesn't give anything? No money from the government? That's very sad.
It's a with me. Yeah.
To me, another highlight of Siargao is the Naked Island. So, what is this? Naked Island is literally a beach with nothing, only people and boats. So if you guys are renting a boat with your group of friends, a couple of beers, and you can have a great time. We had lunch in Daku Island, and right now we are at the last stop. So the last stop is Daku Island, although I wanted to mention something about Daku Island. So we had lunch there, and it's very noisy here. Much better here. So if you decide to rent a private boat, the lunch is not going to be included. Only the island hopping is going to be included in the tour. So the thing is, you will stop at this island to have lunch, and they will charge you literally anything. So we ordered some rice, 80 pesos for garlic rice, all good. We had lunch and then we asked the bill. The garlic rice became not only 80 pesos, but became 160, so the double. Why? Because apparently they put some butter in the rice. so you're charging me double the price just because you put butter in the rice. Apart from that, he has the eggplant salad, and they charge us for the eggplant, the tomato, the cheese and the onions. So basically they charge us for every single ingredient that we're including in the salad, which doesn't make any sense. That's ridiculous. Anyway, I get it, you know, everyone has to eat. But when you charge me for the table 200 pesos, when you charge me for the cooking fee, yeah, you buy food and they charge you the grill. Let's put it this way, they charge you for the grill plus the food plus they scam you. I think that's a bit too much. So at the end they took off all the ingredients, they only put the price of the salad, they took off the butter in the rice. So at the end we paid 1,200 for 4 people, 300 per person, which is a great deal if they don't scam you. So be very careful if you decide to stop for lunch. Always check your bill before paying. This last island is Daku Island, which is super cool because you can play basketball, you can have a smoke, they have a smoking area unlike the other islands. So for you guys smoker out there, you know where to come. Here you can play basketball, you can play beach volley, it's super cool. So that's a great last stop of the day. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're coming to Siargao, that's definitely the tour to do. So don't hesitate any further. Right now, it's time to close the vlog. So make sure to subscribe to this channel because there's going to be so many more videos to come. And see you next time.